Employee management is critical to the success of any retail firm. Recognizing this, Shopify POS includes a number of features that are intended to simplify and streamline personnel management operations. Shopify POS allows shops to successfully manage their staff by providing clock-in and out capabilities, commission tracking, and role-based access management. In this video, we will investigate the significance and benefits of Shopify POS employee management features, demonstrating how they optimize timekeeping, improve commission tracking, and provide precise control over employee access and permissions, fostering efficiency, productivity, and operational excellence. Timekeeping clock-in out. The clock-in and out capability in Shopify POS enables retailers to manage employee work hours and improve payroll operations. Employees may quickly clock in and out of the POS system with this tool, properly measuring their working hours. Retailers can remove manual timekeeping techniques by digitizing timekeeping, which reduces errors and potential disparities. The system tracks clock in and out timings, allowing for accurate payroll hour calculations. This automation streamlines administrative chores and saves companies and employees time. Additionally, the clock-in and out functionality of Shopify POS gives shops visibility into employee schedules and shift coverage. Retailers can manage employee work hours efficiently, ensure proper staffing levels, and make intelligent scheduling and resource allocation decisions. Tracking of commissions for performance evaluation. The commission tracking tool in Shopify POS allows retailers to precisely track and reward staff sales success. This feature enables shops to allocate commissions to particular employees depending on their sales contribution. Retailers can analyze employee performance and reward sales excellence by tracking commissions within the POS system. This data-driven strategy encourages healthy competition among staff and inspires them to meet sales goals. The commission monitoring tool also improves transparency and fairness in compensation systems. Employees may access their commission earnings within the Shopify POS system, increasing confidence between employers and employees. Reports can be generated by retailers to monitor individual and team sales performance, identifying top performers and areas for development. This data-driven approach to commission tracking provides insights into sales trends, assists in the identification of successful sales methods, and enables focused coaching and training. Access control with roles for security and efficiency. The role-based access control, RBAC, functionality in Shopify POS enables retailers to manage employee access and permissions based on their jobs and responsibilities. This level of management assures the protection of sensitive data and POS system operations. RBAC allows shops to assign distinct roles, such as cashiers, managers, or supervisors, to employees, each with their own set of permissions. This prevents unauthorized individuals from doing important operations such as refund processing, inventory management, or discount application, guaranteeing that only authorized personnel are able to perform these actions. RBAC increases both security and operational efficiency. Retailers can reduce errors, prevent unintentional data updates, and ensure data integrity inside the POS system by granting employees access to only the functions and data related to their employment. RBAC also streamlines the onboarding and offboarding processes. When new employees join the team, retailers may grant them preset roles and permissions to ensure they have immediate access to the relevant functions. When employees leave the organization, their access can be quickly canceled, reducing the danger of unwanted access. Scalability and integration. Employee management tools in Shopify POS may be smoothly integrated into overall retail operations, catering to enterprises of all sizes and scales. The system is simple to set up and configure, allowing retailers to define employee positions, establish commission systems, and control rights based on their specific business requirements. Shopify POS's personnel management features are scalable, offering the tools needed to successfully manage the workforce and enhance operational efficiency whether you're running a single-store boutique or a multi-location retail chain.